चरणं शरणं गच्छामि.
शरणं गच्छामि.
Swami.
This is Bhavya, student of BTech second year. I do Papad and Padam Yoga regularly. Around hundreds wishes of mine are fulfilled by Papad. Today I am going to tell you about Padam Ji Papad Padam Yoga. If you like it, then take it peacefully or else give it up. Today I am going to tell you about Papad and Padam Yoga. Do Papad. Padam Ji will fulfill your pleasant desires. Do Padam Yoga, but you will get mental peace and spiritual experience. Your family will grow with love and affection. You can realize sweetness of sugar only if you taste sugar, not through long discussions. In the same way, do Papad. Your own experience and realization will be the proof. People of every religion, caste, mental tradition, deity tradition can fulfill their pleasant desires by doing Papad along with their own religion and customized practices. Papad will not fulfill your immense expectations like fulfilling hunger without meal, lottery, gambling and fornication. Who can do Papad? One with problem will do Papad on his own only. Others can do Papad for their innocent kids, pet animals, plant and sick or injured fainted people. Padam Yoga has two yogic practices. First, Padamnaad, from mouth through nose, straight spine, eyes closed, mouth open, greeted front teeth. Breath through open lips. Breathe in fully. Now close your lips. Teeth in its place separately. Breathe out through nose with a sound like humming of a beetle. Second, Padam Swans. All the situations and practices will be same as Padamnaad. Eyes open or closed. Do not make sound while breathing out. You can do maximum Padam Swans, as many as possible. Do Padam Swans to calm your mind. You can do Padam Swans anytime. Whenever there is uneasiness in your mind, do 10 Padam Swans. Do 10 Padam Swans every day from time to time. You will be able to focus on your work. Do 3 Padamnaad at once. When to do Padamnaad? First, when you wake up from your bed in the morning, do Padamnaad. Second, do Padamnaad when you are leaving for your important work. Third, do Padamnaad before sleeping. Don't perform Padam Yoga while you drive car or any vehicle, at places filled with foul smell, at places filled with dust, at places filled with smoke. Now I'll be doing 3 Padamnaad. Charnam Sarnam Gacchami.
Saranam Gacchami.
Now I will be doing 3 Padam Swans. Charnam Sarnam Gacchami. We'll begin daily Padam Nivedan after doing 3 Padamnaad.
Charanam
Charanam gacchami. These 8 lines I am going to tell should be as it is. Paramam Saranam gacchami.
Paramam Saranam gacchami.
Hansam Saranam gacchami.
Hansam Saranam gacchami.
Advaitam Saranam gacchami.
Advaitam Saranam gacchami.
Anandam Saranam gacchami.
Anandam Saranam gacchami.
Charanam Saranam gacchami.
Charanam Saranam gacchami.
हे परम जी,
हे परम जी,
मुझ पर कृपा करो।
मुझ
मुझ
पर कृपा करो।
सिर झुकाकर
सिर झुकाकर
परम जी को नमस्कार करती हूँ।
परम जी को नमस्कार करती हूँ।
परम जी,
परम
परम
जी
जी,
please bless this Param Nivedan practice with your power.
please bless this Param Nivedan practice with your power.
Empower my prayer for good health,
Empower my prayer for good health,
mental peace and happiness.
mental peace and happiness.
Today,
Today,
make me do my work with mindfulness
make me do my work with mindfulness
and bless me with success and happiness from Dietward.
and bless me with success and happiness from that world.
Today,
Today,
bless me with your divine grace.
bless me with your divine grace.
Today,
Today,
make me happy through P3Y.
make me happy through PTY.
Today,
Today,
Param Ji, through your right guidance,
Paramji, through your divine grace,
I should get right guidance
I should get right guidance
and be able to make right decisions.
and be able to make right decisions.
As soon as my wish is fulfilled,
As soon as my desire is fulfilled,
I'll give few rupees to Param Ji.
I will give few rupees to Paramji.
As soon as my desire is fulfilled,
As soon as my desire is fulfilled,
I'll explain Param Ji Papra Param Yog
I will explain Paramji Papa Param Yog
to few new people
to few new people
people
through any medium.
through any medium.
Charanam Saranam Gacchami.
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 Now I'll be devoting this Papri Kaksha to Param Ji. Paramam Saranam Gacchami.
Paramam Saranam Gacchami.
Hansam Saranam Gacchami.
Hansam Saranam Gacchami.
Advaitam Saranam Gacchami.
Advaitam Saranam Gacchami.
Anandam Saranam Gacchami.
Anandam
Anandam Saranam Gacchami.
Charanam Saranam Gacchami.
Charanam Saranam Gacchami.
हे परम जी,
हे
हे
परम
Paramji,
मुझ पर कृपा करो।
मुझ पर कृपा करो।
सिर झुकाकर
सिर झुकाकर
परम जी को नमस्कार करती हूँ।
Paramji को नमस्कार करती हूँ।
परम जी,
परम जी
please bless this Papri Kaksha with your power.
Please bless this Papraksha with your power.
Bless this Papri Kaksha video with your power.
Bless this Papraksha video with your power.
I devote this Papri Kaksha to you.
I devote Pushpa Praksha to you.
Maximum people
Maximum people
should be benefited through this Papad Kaksha.
should be benefited through this Praksha.
Maximum people
Maximum people
should get their work done.
should get their work done.
Maximum people
Maximum people
should get a chance
should get a chance
to learn
to learn
Padam Ji Papad Padam Yog.
Param Ji Papa Param Yog.
Make Padam Ji Papad Padam Yog expand worldwide.
Make Param Ji Papa Param Yog expand worldwide.
We leave our place after doing 3 Padamnad. Charanam Saranam Gacchami. Thank you Padamji for making this Papad Kaksha successful, and thank you to my grandmother Rekha Mishra and my father Sanjeev Kumar who preached me this P3 by practice, and thank you to my mother Nisha Mishra and my brother Paprasvas for joining in this video throughout live.
Charanam
Charanam Saranam Gacchami.
I request you all to please stay in this video for some time. So, Papad Kaksha hai video mein, but I would like to add something about Param Yog. There are majorly 3 practices in Param Yog. Param Shwas, which we do. The second one is Paramnad and the third one is Paramdhan. These are basically the 3 practices that are told by Paramji, in which you get mental peace, spiritual experience, you get your mind calm, and you are able to focus on Paramji. So before doing these practices, you should know about Param Swas. Do 3 to 10 Param Swas at once. Start with 3 and do not do more than 10 Param Swas. Your spine, neck and head should be straight while doing Param Swas, and you have to breathe in through mouth and breathe out through nose. Front feet should be in this state that you are munching on a bread, which are greeted together. So with teeth greeted and open mouth, you have to breathe in and breathe in slowly without any force. Just let your breath pass through your lungs slowly, and when you feel that your lungs are completely full, start breathing out through nose. Do not make sound while breathing out or breathing in. So this is Param Swas, which you have to do in 3 to 10 range in one sitting. You will get different type of mental peace. Second practice is Paramnad. Just the same as Param Swas, your spine, neck, head should be straight and your eyes should be closed. In this practice as well, you have to breathe in through mouth, lips should be open, front teeth should be greeted, and breathe in through open lips and greeted front teeth. Let your breath pass through your lungs fully in the same way without any force. When your lungs are completely full, breathe out through nose with a sound like humming of beetle. So, I'll be doing 3 Paramnad and you all should watch, listen and do on your own. So with spine, neck, head straight, eyes closed, open lips, and repeat sentence. Breathe in.
Sharanam Gacchami.
And the third practice, which is given by Padamji in Padam Yoga, is Padam Dhyan. In this practice as well, your spine, head, neck should be straight, and you have to sit straight in Sukhasana or whichever asana which can keep your spine, neck and head straight. Keep the photo of Padamji in front of you. You can observe two situations while looking at the photo of Padamji. First one is Padamji's Agya Chakra and second one is Padamji's Yugal Charan. In Charan, specifically the nails of the first two toes. So out of both the situations, you have to choose either chakra or nails of the first two toes. And while sitting in that situation, with your spine, neck and head straight, focus on the photo of Padamji either on the first two nails of the toes or Padamji's Agya Chakra. Whichever way you like, you can choose accordingly. So, while meditating, you have to stare at Padamji's photo with your eyes open, and when your eyes get wet completely or you realize you can't do it any further while staring, just close your eyes. With your eyes closed, focus on Padamji's photo in your mind. If any other sort of things like your business, work, home, family comes in your mind rather than Padamji's photo, then open your eyes again. Stare at Padamji's photo and close your eyes again after recollecting the image in your mind. In this way, you have to do 3 to 10 Padam Dhyan. So, this is the practice of Padam Dhyan. If you do all the 3 practices of Padam Yoga, which includes Padam Swans, Padam Nad and Padam Dhyan, you will get different type of mental peace, spiritual experience, and you can also experience different types of knowledge with the blessings of Padamji. So, I pause my speech here and end this Kapra Gacha with the blessings of Padamji. Charanam
Sharanam Gacchami.
Charanam Gacchami.
Gacchami.